In this video, I will talk about our SIH project on statement 1620. Imagine a world where every hospital visit is seamless, real-time updates on available beds, instant OPD bookings, virtual consultations, and even streamlined dispensary management, all at your fingertips. Welcome to our solution for the future of healthcare, where technology meets patient care to create a smarter, faster, and more efficient hospital management system. Now, let's talk about our idea, approach, and innovations. Our system integrates NIC's citywide modules, scaling up to handle high patient volume and provide real-time notification for appointments. Hospitals can easily manage their dispensary, reducing overstocking, tracking supplies, and lowering waste. Our innovative system incorporates advanced queuing models powered by AI to allocate OPD slots, enabling doctors to accept patients within specific time window. Now, this optimization of patient flow not only reduces wait time but also enhances the overall experience for both patients and healthcare providers. One of the standout features of our system is its real-time updates. Patient will receive instant notification about bed availability, OPD bookings, and the upcoming appointments. This ensures that patient care is not just timely but also informed, allowing for smoother transition within the hospital environment. Additionally, we focus on effective dispensary management system on hospital side. Our system efficiently tracks medical inventory, reducing overstock and preventing expired medicines. This proactive approach not only streamlines operation but also ensures the patient receives the right medication when they need them. In today's digital age, virtual consultation have become essential. Our solution enables secure remote consultation with doctors, significantly reducing the need for in-person visits. The feature adds a layer of convenience, especially for those who may find it challenging to travel to a hospital. Now, let's discuss how we resolve the pressing issues in healthcare. Our AI-driven resource allocation and predictive analytics optimize OPD slots, bed availability, and inventory management. This ensures efficient care while preventing shortage of overbooking, addressing one of the major pain points in hospital management. Furthermore, we utilize blockchain technology to secure hospital verification and payment process. This not only enhances security but also simplifies transactions, making healthcare more accessible and trustworthy. Our unique value propositions stand out in the crowded field as we ensure equitable care distribution, providing unbiased access to beds and treatment for all patients. Our predictive analytics facilitate proactive resource management, allowing the hospitals to stay ahead of demand and optimize inventory usage. Finally, our secure and convenient virtual OPD consultations empower patients, giving them control over their own healthcare journey. Now, let's talk about the tech stack that we have used. We have used MERN-stack, AIML, cloud, and blockchain. The flowchart of user diagram is as follows. For user can register on this portal. After registration, he can log in on the website and then he can either book OPD or book a bed. After clicking on book OPD, he will be shown a page with hospital details. User can see various options such as bed count if needed, amount for OPD, and book a slot as per his need. He can also see if health insurance is accepted by that hospital. Then user can perform payment and book OPD either physically or virtually. Here, for booking a bed, user can also select the emergency and then book a bed. User can also raise complaint for any problem faced by hospital to the super admin. Now let's talk about the hospital registration. Hospital can register with their details such as bed count, dispensary details, the details of doctor, and other documentations. Dispensary details can be either entered manually or the database access can be given by hospital. That details will be verified by super admin. Hospital can then accept the patient. There will also be a dispensary management at hospital level. Hospital will be notified if there is any less stock time to time. Finally, for super admin, they can verify hospital details and also resolve the problems of user and solve their query. Now, super admin can also take actions on hospital if users' feedback is concrete and multiple users give such feedbacks. Now, let's move. Before moving on the next section, let me show you our project and the code. Firstly, the user registration, where the user will pass in the username, email, password, age, gender, mobile number, and further details like Aadhaar number, insurance card number, ration card, permanent illness if any, disabilities, and any treatments that he has taken before. This entire front end here is made using React.js and the ones that will come forward. And in the backend, we have used the bcrypt to take the details and encrypt them, while the JWT is used for authentication. Moving forward, similar is used for hospital registration, where we take hospital name, registration number, location, the specializations of the hospital, whether an OPD is present or not, again the slots of the OPD, whether there is a virtual OPD option available in that hospital, the number of beds, insurance companies that are accepted. Here we have taken a dummy data of insurance companies. Now from all this, the user profile is created containing all the details, and here importantly the user can manage his family members, meaning he can add his family members to the list, so that whenever one of the people faces any emergency or some kind of accident, the other family members can also perform and use our site for the main user. Moving forward, here is our main homepage where it shows that we can consult the doctor 24/7. We can book an appointment, consult online, as well as book a bed. In the book a bed, there is an emergency section and other section. In emergency, there comes accidents or any cardiac arrest, whereas the other section contain all the other domains where the admission of the patient is required. Accordingly, the priority is also set there using queue model. Now here are the hospitals which the user can see. These hospitals can be filtered by their specialties and the domains that they are in. We can also search the hospital. Here all the fields are given of specialties: orthopedics, oncology, pediatrics, gynecology, and so on. Accordingly, the user can choose any hospital to view. And finally, even at the bottom, we have given them contact number and mail, which will be responded in a quick motion depending on the user, as they may be in an urgent situation. Again, in a hospital section, we display the specialty of hospital, the address, contact, and timings. There they can book a bed as well as book an OPD. Here beneath that, the slots are also shown, where 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., and so on. And alongside these slots, the exact number of patients that the slot can obtain as per the hospital. The remaining number of slots is given to the user so that they can understand how much of the slot is filled and book accordingly. Here again, the patient has to log in first in order to book a bed. Until now, any user can see all these things. However, to book any bed or OPD, he must log in. The logging in process, once it is completed, now the patient is allowed to book a bed or book an OPD. Here as well, we can filter the hospital by status. Now this page is for the user administrator. The administrator here can filter by pending, approved, and disapproved, meaning that all the hospitals that have registered to our website, they must be approved first, and then only will they be displayed to the users. And for that, the super admin is responsible. Here the super admin can check all the details of the hospital and approve it accordingly. Now the dispensary management system. Here the name of medicine, expiry date, and stock available is taken from the database, or the user can also update it manually from hospital side. Again, here we can save the details, and the prompts are being given as and when the slots go below a certain number or the expiry date has went ahead. In backend, we have used microservices architecture. Here, this is user schema, which is used with Prisma ORM model, that is object relational mapping. Now, similar, this is the hospital OPD registration schema. Here we have all the ID, patient ID, book OPD date, actual OPD date, symptoms, and so on, further details of the patient as and their modifications which are done time to time. Moving forward, here this is the user repository. We have used Prisma object of Prisma client for communication between the server and database, and similarly each module consists of services, module, controller, router, and they are implemented. Once used, JWT authentication and bcrypt is for encryption, and similar various technologies further on. So this is our code overall and our project. Now we will move on to the next section. On to feasibility and viability. A common question may arise among us: is it possible to revolutionize healthcare while working within existing systems? Absolutely. Our solution seamlessly integrates with NIC's citywide module, scaling effortlessly to handle high patient volumes as we will be creating separate microservices for various tasks and using real time data to notify patients of the upcoming appointments. However, complex challenges await. Integrating data from multiple hospitals, getting staff accustomed to the new system, and managing sudden surges in patients. How will we overcome this? This can be done by starting with pilot programs, providing comprehensive training to the staff, and leveraging cloud-based system to balance the loads. Now, let us talk about the impact and benefits of our project. Here, real-time resource management slashes wait times, optimizes hospital operation and uncover untapped revenue streams through advanced analytics. Automated bed management frees up staff for critical tasks leading to improved access to healthcare services, which further reduces operational costs and better patient experience. The environmental benefits are that is reduced overstocking and medical waste from expired supplies. Finally, the research and references which we used were backed by queuing models for OPDs, optimal bed allocation strategies, and e-hospital citywide integration. Our solution is poised to transform healthcare into a smarter and more efficient system. Thank you.